If you can buy anything for $1 and you can sell it for about $30, that's a ton of money that you can make. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a business that's doing what? $500,000 every single month in sales. What they've been able to do is figure out a system that makes them $500,000 every single month, month after month on repeat, and it will do so for a really, really long time. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a business that's doing what? $500,000 every single month in sales. Okay, they're selling a problem-solving product. They're selling a product with continuity, which means people will continue to buy it. But most importantly, what they've been able to do is figure out a system that makes them $500,000 every single month, month after month on repeat, and it will do so for a really, really long time. And that's because they've figured out the system that allows them to generate revenue every single day. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact system that they use so that you can basically go ahead and build it out for yourself. Most people, when they look at e-commerce, they don't look at it as a system. They look at it as a product, a website, and an ad. But it is much more than that. It's not just, oh, I'm going to find a random product, throw some viral ads, and then go ahead and start making sales, okay? That may get you to your first sales, but it's not going to get you to consistent sales. And for you to be able to go to consistent sales, you're going to need to do what this brand has been doing for a really long time, okay? So this brand's making $588,000 every single month. I'm going to show you what the product is, what the ads is, and what they're doing first, and then I'm going to explain the system to you. If you stick till the end of this video, I promise you this is probably going to be the most valuable thing that you've learned about e-commerce all day. And what is going to get you to understand is how you can basically duplicate this system, whether with your own product or sell the same product. And essentially, when you model success, you become successful. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. 588,000 every single month. They're running about 3,700 different ads have been testing, and a ton of ads are active right now. And the product that it basically helps people with that have problems with their nails, right? So their nails are rotting, there's nail fungus on them. And if you're thinking, Ali, I don't know how to source this product, again, stay with me. I'll show you exactly how you can even go ahead and source this product, okay? So all of their ads are actually going to this particular page, okay? Now, this is what they're doing, okay? This is what your nail would look like, and this is what your nail is gonna look like after you go ahead and you start using this product. Now, what's very, very important to understand here, okay, is that this business has figured out its customer acquisition strategy. Okay, now what is a customer acquisition strategy? For the first part of the customer acquisition strategy is find a product that has a transformative benefit. What does that mean? A transformative benefit. A transformative benefit is that it takes something from an undesirable result to a desirable result, and it does it in a fascinating way. When there is a transformative benefit, for example, you take a nail that looks like this and turn it into a nail that looks like this, that is awesome. Why? Because essentially, your advertising becomes a ton easier, okay? If you're not selling transformative products, if you're not selling a product that takes something from looking like a certain way to then looking like another way, you're going to have a tougher time advertising. Get into products where advertising the product is easier, okay? Don't get into products where you're going to have a tougher time advertising it. Why would you do that to yourself, okay? So step one, get into a product that has a transformative benefit. Step two, the product that you get into, make sure that there's a ton of margin available, okay? Now, we're going to go into this product. You can drop ship it, or you can get it from Alibaba, but this is a supplier for a very similar product. It costs about $1.4, okay? But if we go ahead and look at the sales volume or how much it costs to sell, it is about $34.97 for one. So about $30 in margin. So if you can buy anything for $1 and you can sell it for about $30, that's a ton of money that you can make. Now that you found a transformative product, something that has a very desirable result and something that you can show again and again, and you know that you can source it and sell it, okay? And the fact that there's margin in it, what's the next step? Well, the next step becomes quite easy, doesn't it? Let's go ahead and create ads that show the transformation again and again. So I'm going to just go into this one, okay? Where essentially this is an AI avatar that's talking about an anniversary, right? An anniversary gift that she got, open-toed sandals, and they're really nice, but she couldn't wear them because of her nail problem, right? And then this is what, and again, this is an AI ad, okay? Transformative products really go well with AI ads because you can show the transformation in different ways. For example, they're going to show this transformation as a story about somebody who got sandals as a gift but couldn't wear them. All right. So let's go through this, right? And now you see what her feet were like. Obviously, because her feet were like this, she could never go ahead and wear the sandals, right? And quietly slipped them back into the box, right? And I told them I'd wear them next time, but deep down, I never wore them. Okay. And so then it talks about the issues. All right. And then it shows the transformation, right? Once you basically start putting this on, you will see your nails look fantastic by week 6, and by week 8, you're wearing those sandals. So basically they have a transformative benefit and they weave it into a story that your target audience is going to care about. And I'm sure people suffering with this problem actually do have like insecurities about wearing stuff like this. They actually have all that stuff. Okay. So that's step number 2, create ads and weave them into stories, but create transformative ads. Show what it looks like before and then show what it looks like after. Now, pay attention to something. I'm sure your ads don't look like this, right? I'm sure your ads don't look like this because, again, you don't have something good enough to advertise, right? Or you've decided like a kitchen gadget tool or like something like that that isn't as interesting for people. Okay, this isn't interesting. And again, it all goes back to the type of product you're selling, right? If you're selling a product that has this type of benefit, okay, you can show that in multiple different ways, okay? So that's step number 2. Now, step number 3 is the most important step. And this is what I feel like is the closest thing that comes to like digital real estate almost, okay? Now, what is digital real estate? Digital real estate essentially is when you figure out one way of making money and that way is evergreen, okay? Essentially what happens is they figured out that if they run traffic to this page that talks about what podiatrists know and why so many people are talking about this, a doctor, a before, after, right? And it goes through all the different steps and all of the different transformative benefits of this particular product, okay? They figured out that if they run traffic to this page, it converts, okay? Now, essentially, there is another page like this, okay? And this is what we call the Shopify page, and this is what we call the funnel or the advertorial page. Now, what they're not doing is running traffic to this page, okay? Because on this page, what happens is you're talking product first, and you're telling, hey, this is the product, and this is how much it costs, okay? Over here, you're talking about the transformation. What got them on the ad is what will get them to buy, okay? So first, you get them with a story about the transformation. Then when over here, you expand on why this thing works. Because hearing a story may not be good enough. It'll get you interested, but it won't convince you to purchase. And this is where that conviction is set. This is where you see what other people are trying, what this doctor has figured out, what are the 3 easy steps, what are some expensive choices, why this is organic, why this is a choice, what are the other benefits, and then go ahead and purchase it. And then over here is where you essentially tell them, hey man, you may not need 1, you may need 2 to 3, because over here, we strongly recommend 3 bottles as clinical study shows that it takes 45 days. So hey, don't buy 1, buy 3. And actually, if you buy 2, you'll get 3. So instead of somebody coming in and spending $34.97, they come in here and they almost spend $69. And in fact, if we go ahead and track their average cart value, it's about $53 an order. So most people are buying a combination of this, or some people are even getting this. If you get somebody to buy this, that's almost $100 sale. And that is the system that has reliably generated this business close to $500,000 a month. And so now there's one part of the system that changes, but 2 part of the systems that's evergreen. I'm going to whiteboard that out for you, okay? So the first thing is obviously we were talking about the transformative ads, right? So you have all of these ads that are coming in, okay? And the ads are about the product, right? So if you go here, okay, first thing is you select a product over here, which is a transformative product, okay? And so you have a transformative product that you've selected, and then you advertise it, okay? And those ads go to a funnel, okay? And the funnel is the 2 pages, page 1, which is the advertorial page, and then page 2, which is the sales page, right? So this is what this whole system is, okay? Now, there are two parts of it that don't change. The product, you never change it, and the funnel, you never change it. You just have to figure these two things out once, okay? You figure out these two things only once, okay? Because once you have a product that's good, once you have a product that works, okay, and once you have a funnel that works, these things become like literally digital real estate, okay? It literally is digital real estate, okay? In real estate, you don't actually go ahead and change your house, right? You don't change what your house is all the time. You build it once, you build it right, and it makes you money for a really, really long time. And that's what these two things are. And this is the only thing that you go ahead and change, okay? This right here is the only thing that will ever change, okay? That's the ads, okay? This is basically how you get people inside the funnel. That's the only thing you got to keep changing, because ad angles get saturated, okay? Products don't saturate. It's ad angles that get saturated, okay? So today it's a story about a sandal. Tomorrow it's a story about, what is this, right? The side effects, right, of other treatments, okay? Or or doctor warnings, right? It basically, your job literally becomes the easiest job in the world. Once you figure out the product and once you figure out the funnel, your job over here, sorry. Once you figure out the product and once you figure out the funnel, your job becomes the easiest ever, which is, hey, what ad am I going to run today? Okay. What creative will I essentially decide, right? What's my creative? Okay. What are people talking about now? Right? What is something that's trending? What are some nice talking points, right? And then I'm just going to go ahead and create some ads, okay? But you're not continuously tinkering with the product and tinkering with the funnel. Oh, I need to change my product. Oh, I need to change my website. And this is what most people in e-com do. They continue to change this and this when you have to figure this out only once and then continue to update the ads. And that's what this business has been doing. All they do is run ads, but whatever I click, whatever page I click, it goes back to the same page. Okay, and this is a $500,000 a month system. Okay, now, if you know that this business is making $500,000 with this system, what would you do? Okay, what would you do? There's a couple of things to do, right? Would you basically, knowing that there is somebody out there making tons and tons of money, okay, there's literally two choices that you have, right? And your choices are, right, there's two choices that you have. Okay, your choice number one is, I'm going to continue testing trending products, right? Running traffic to basic Shopify pages, okay? And then maybe I'm just, all I'm doing is investing in like themes and new styles and new viral ads. Like, are you going to do this, or are you going to finally decide to build your own system? Okay, build your own system. Okay, where you choose a transformative product. Okay, you create story-based ads, right? And you create a customer acquisition funnel. Okay. And if you decide, hey, I'm going to do this, right? I'm going to do this. Why not just do it with the same product? Okay? Make some money, right? Why not just do it with the same product and go ahead and make some money? Okay? And so this is where we come in. This is where me and my team come in, because we understand that you don't have to rough it out anymore. You don't have to essentially, you don't have to rough it out anymore. It doesn't make sense. All you do is focus on building the system, okay? Now, you could do it with a different product, but why not? Why not just do it with the same product? Somebody else has already figured it out, right? And there's enough customers that Facebook has that it can give to you as well, because Facebook, remember, it's a paid media platform. It doesn't care about who you are. It just cares about what you present. So if you present a similar ad to this and take people to a similar page like this, Facebook's not just going to say, hey, man, I don't like you. I just like these guys. So I'm going to keep sending these guys customers. No, Facebook's algorithm just picks good ads and good offers to give their customers a good experience. That's all it cares about. So my entire ecom methodology is based on modeling successful stores, launching successful products, and modeling and launching in a very similar way so that you're not continuously figuring out what's working, okay? To that effect, that is why we've created White Label Dropshipping. White Label Dropshipping essentially means that we go out there, we find these 6 and 7 figure businesses that reliably and predictably produce revenue, and we reverse engineer them. Now, what does that look like? Essentially, what my team does is we create replica landing pages, very closely modeling what's this system that's already working. Now, the reason that we do this, guys, is because we know, right, that we don't need to reinvent the wheel. If this business is making this guy $500,000 a month, you coming in with a very similar pitch, with a very similar, very well-modeled business, there is no reason why you can't make the same amount of money, okay? It's all about modeling. And, essentially, it's not the same funnel because we've introduced some changes, but we've not changed the success DNA of what works, okay? We model this funnel. Okay, we model the ads and we give you a business that already is operating at, it's operating. I want you guys to basically launch like a 6 or 7 figure business. Okay, because if you were not to do this and you change any of the specific elements that work, right? If you change any of the specific elements that work that we discussed here, right? You're not going to find the same success because they know that this is the system that made them successful. So we want to replicate that for you. Okay, we want to replicate this system for you. And that's the essential premise of White Label Dropshipping. This is our premier program. We help you replicate ultra successful businesses and create your branded version of that. Okay, if you guys want to work with me and my team, click the link down below. And for those of you guys who are now understanding that e-commerce is more of a success system, okay, that e-commerce isn't just picking winning products XYZ. It's more about finding successful products, finding successful pages, understanding what made this thing work, okay? Then now what I want you to do is I don't want you to look at winning products anymore. I want you to understand winning systems. I want you to find consistency in the types of pages that are being run. I want you to look at businesses where all their traffic is going to a similar page. I want you to find transformative products. I want you to find captivating ads. And I want you to go into and build businesses that will reliably bring you sales every single month, okay? There is a concept that I teach inside of White Label Dropshipping, which is the 4 phases of any business. The 4 phases of any business is first sales, right? Consistent sales, profitable sales, and scalable profitable sales, right? First sales come from when you have a really good offer, right? Consistent sales come when you have really good offer and ads, right? Offer and ads. Profitable sales come when you have offer, ads, and a system behind it, right? Like a really good funnel, okay? And scalable profitable sales come when you have a ton more back-end stuff where you basically essentially take the system that's making money and then you replicate it 4 times. Okay, this is essentially the entire timeline of what a profitable business looks like. This is what we essentially do inside of White Label Dropshipping, okay? This business will hit all of these 4 phases if run properly, okay? And so this is why when you basically look for businesses, look at businesses that will take you from the phase 1 to phase 4. Don't look at trending gadgets that maybe you'll get a few sales and then they fizzle out, okay? Build systems that will get you from first sales to consistent to profitable and to scalable profitable sales. If you want to work with me and my team, click in the link down below. Let's get on a phone call. Let's see if we're a good fit to work together and get started. If you're not ready to do that yet, again, look for systems, don't look for pump and dump products. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to learn anything else.